Hey guys, welcome back to Vallone's RC Hobby, and in this video we got the king out. Yes, the Arrma Kraton 8S, and I'm running the Z batteries. They're 7200 milliamp with 80C discharge rate, and we're gonna tear it up here on the hill, guys. Check it out. Pretty cool hill here. I got beautiful day, can't beat it. So let's go for a drive. Woo! Take that hill, baby. Nice. Oh, I love this thing. So well balanced. I love taking this hill. So cool. Woo! Nice, tear it. Still stock out the box. I think I just punched up the punch level to 5. These batteries are actually pretty good, the Z batteries. I really haven't had a trouble with those, and they're pretty inexpensive too. But everything's stock. I haven't updated the pinion yet. People gear it up to go a little faster. I haven't done that yet. This seems fine to me. Call me a mild basher. I like to keep things, try not to rock the boat too much. I mean, this is good. Ooh, love it. Here. Woohoo! I'd love to launch across that pond there, but my luck, I don't want them going in the water. Yeah, baby. I don't know if you guys can see all the way over there. It's a hell of a hill here. It's really nice. Ooh, gotta get my ramps out soon. Man, whoa, nice, yeah. See if I won't tumble this time. I try not to tumble. I try to go out on runs and not tumble. Have a perfect run. Yeah, baby, yeah. Oh, I love it. Feel like a kid again. Oh yeah. This was nothing like what we had back in the 80s and 90s. These things are so powerful today. They book out the box. You don't have to build them. I used to have to build mine. Even if, after we built them, and they weren't that durable. They always broke. Oh! Nice. Woo. So cool. I know there's other 5th scale cars on the market, and some of those cars get up to, oh god, $1,200. The low Z cars, the DBXLs, the Fox. This thing's, I got this 800-900, something like that. I think they're still hovering around there, and I know some people say this is not a true 5th scale. There's not 5th scale components in there. I think Vaz from Aussie RC Playground was mentioning that, but to me, it's a beast. Tears it up. This thing can eat a little doggy. Oh man, I love it. Woo. Sweet. Round and around we go. Damn, let's go this way instead. My luck, I'll hit the small trees there. Oh, whoa. I find it funny, you try to avoid things that stick up out of the ground. For some reason, they become magnets and the cars smash right into them. And there's a whole piece of land right around it. How I did not avoid it, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Very well balanced. I like the trucks to stay on the ground, all fours most of the time. I do have a Team Red Cat TRMT8E, and all that thing wants to do is wheelie. Doesn't want to stay on the ground. I think it's cool, you know, in the beginning doing wheelies, but then after a while it just gets kind of boring. But you want the thing to stay down. But these I like. I mean, this thing is just so well balanced. I mean, it's good 25 pounds or so, maybe more, and it's like a big Cadillac kind of. I think Arrma's really engineering their stuff really well here. I have never, so far haven't broken anything on this. As you can see, I'm a light basher, I'm more of a backyard guy. I'm not sending this to the moon. You know, my hard-earned money gets this and buys these. I buy my own cars with my own money. So, I don't know. Why break them? Oh, what a beast. Damn, guys, I love it. Woo! I know some guys are bending these chassis because they're launching this car, and they do have like a replacement aftermarket chassis now that you can put on this. A little more strength if you plan on going 30 feet in the air. But I always find it funny, these guys launch these cars and then they wonder why they break. It's just remarkable that they can take such abuse. Never in the world could you do that back in the day. My Tamiya Blackfoot would be in pieces if I launched it 30 feet in the air. Let's go up the beast, go up the hill. Damn, look at that. Love it, love it. Oh, nice. So we can head back over here. Try to launch off this right here. Alright, yeah. Alright. Still want to land in that water over there. There's plenty of rocks there too. Go up that hill, you little monster. Oh, no problem, no problem. Ooh, guardrail. Oh, what a great car. I love Arrma. I think it's one of my favorite companies out there right now, even though I do like Red Cat, but I just think the build quality of the Arrmas are really, really good. Yeah, they have a couple setbacks here and there, I guess, with some, like I said, the chassis bending or such, but I even have that infraction, and my infraction is just killer. It's just a great little piece of machinery. I think the engineering is really, really phenomenal. Can't wait to see what else they got coming out. Maybe an Outcast 8S, Notorious 8S. Be a nutty car. The runtime on this is pretty good too, even with the boost. Sweet. Yeah. Bring it. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh, light bulb cut off. All right. Nice run, bravo. All right, guys, Chris from Vallone's RC Hobby, and please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time.